Jaby's the new tech that lets you have fun and exercise in any environment. Jaby is an extension of your arm that lets you hit your opponent without using your fists. It extends up to 3 feet and delivers safe punches that don't hurt. The explosive movements make it just as effective as a high-intensity workout. The smart tech inside Jaby tracks your movements and monitors your progress through the app. The patented mechanics and spring system is what makes the Jaby punches safe. The springs pull out almost all of the force on every punch. At the same time, the spring resistance activates many of your muscles. The soft rubber front acts as a reverse airbag and feels like a cushion of air on impact. Just 2 Jabys are needed for a match. It's easy to get started. Connect your Jaby to the app and view your personal profile with stats from all matches. Keep track of your road to greatness. The app can video record matches and add on-screen health bars, as you know from Tekken. Share the videos on social media for bragging rights. We launched our first concept videos in 2017 and have reached more than 70 million video views and gained followers from all over the world.
Hi, my name is Jan.
And my name is Christian, and we are the founders of Jaby. The idea behind Jaby started when we observed the growing amount of inactive screen time. I saw the many great features from video games as a solution, combined with a physical product that you cannot compare with anything. We have built stress testing machines that test durability and wear and tear over time.
We have managed to gather some of the sharpest minds in gaming and tech, and now, with the help of our team, we are at the finish line. Soon, we will be able to ship the very first Jabys. Help us raise the last amount of money so we can start production and you can start beating up your friends and family.
Or share it with your colleagues at the Friday Bar.
This is Makeway. It will make you feel things. This is joy. This is frustration. This is satisfaction. And this is pride. Makeway is a modular magnetic super puzzle. It attaches to any metallic surface and doesn't take any floor space. It can be created here or here, at your home, outside, or your office. This, by the way, is procrastination. Makeway is made of 8 different tracks and 15 different tricks. Each track and each trick has its own unique moves. How to set them up is up to you, and the configurations are endless. Take the spinner for example. With 1 ball, it spins. That's fun, but put another one and you get a path creator. Put 3 balls and you got a show. Add a lift at the end of your path and you got a perpetua mobilia. The lift is also modular, so you can make it longer and longer and longer. This is amazement. Makeway is created by these 2 guys. They have backgrounds in woodworking and industrial engineering. They wanted to create a super unique and engaging design piece. They wound up with a stunning system of modular, compatible units that they just can't keep their hands off. So if you want to partake in the joy and excitement that comes from building a unique path, then building another one and another, get Makeway. It's so much fun. yeah, we're not that kind of company. This is Shai, a pilot, industrial designer, and an inventor. Every year or so, Shai's friend challenges him to create a never-before-seen invention. First, he was challenged to create a smartphone-controlled paper airplane. Then, to add a camera to that plane. Then, a plane that can do aerobatics. Last year, Shai's friend looked at all the inventions and said, "Those are all great, but you can't put a flight computer with autopilot on a paper airplane so it'll fly even if it's crummy." And Shai said, "Challenge accepted." Meet Power Up 4. With 2 motors, 2 new sensors, and a flight computer, it looks bad conditions in the eye and says, "Bring it on." All you need to do is fold a paper plane, attach the module, and download the app. Now change your name to Maverick, because you're about to go full Top Gun. Thanks to Power Up 4's autopilot sensors, flight will be smooth even when conditions are rough, or if making paper planes is not your best skill. Power Up 4 has 2 new sensors, gyro and accelerometer. Combined with the onboard flight computer, Power Up 4 can now fly in windy conditions and keep the flight direction. When you tilt it a bit too much, it auto-stabilizes, so it remains airborne, even if your wing is a bit lopsided. If you want to chill and watch the plane fly, it can auto-loop on its own. In simpler terms, whatever happens, Power Up 4 continues to fly. That makes Power Up 4 the smartest, most easy-to-use plane we ever made. When you're done flying, Power Up will give you data about your flight, like maneuverability score, length of flight, and quality of paper folding. Then you get personalized tips on how to optimize your next flight. So no matter what plane you create, it will soar majestically. Eat my paper dust, birdie! Power Up 4's module, made of nylon and carbon fiber, is stronger than ever, so crashing it is a no worry. On top of that, with a new flight computer, stalls and nosedives are almost eliminated. But as Che Guevara once said, a revolution needs more than sensors and data. I didn't say that. Well, check this. Power Up 4 is also twice as strong, so you can basically fly anything. Planes made out of cardboard, styrofoam, and light wood. Since there's autopilot, you can even get this lettuce to fly. You will look stupid flying it, but we're not here to judge. We're here to be awesome. How awesome? It has this cool landing gear for takeoff and landing, and these so awesome LED lights for night flight. So if you want to fly through the sky with the most advanced paper airplane ever, or any plane really, get Power Up 4, a plane that's so much ahead of anything we've ever done, we gave it a new number.
What if you could build soaring towers, amazing structures, and the roller coaster of your dreams, all in your living room? It's possible with Magnet Cubes, a new toy that's inspiring discovery and hands-on learning for all ages. Magnet Cubes are magnetic, modular cubes that easily attach to one another. You don't need glue, connectors, or anything. Marble tracks can be attached through the cubes for easy rearrangement, so you can build, test, and rebuild with endless possibilities. The best part? The transparent cubes let you see all the action while you play. Magnet cubes aren't just ordinary building blocks. They build faster, larger, and more easily than any other building system, allowing you to create marvelous designs effortlessly. This dynamic toy is fun for everyone. It challenges children to be creative problem solvers and keeps adults limber and sharp. If you're staring at a screen all day, Magnet cubes are for you. Take breaks or relieve stress by playing with these pleasing structures and their relaxing kinetic movements. Magnet cubes are challenging, family-friendly, and fun. Grow your collection with expansion packs to create bigger and more complex designs. The possibilities are endless. Get your Magnet Cube starter pack today and unleash your imagination.